For the graph of f of x equals 4x squared plus 20x plus 13, find the axis of symmetry and find the vertex. If we are given the function ax squared plus bx plus c, then the axis of symmetry is given by the equation x is equal to negative b over 2a. So for the function 4x squared plus 20x plus 13, the axis of symmetry would be given by the equation x is equal to negative, substituting 20 for b, over 2 and 4 for a. So then x would be equal to, let's see, 2 times 4 is 8. So then this is x is equal to negative 20 over 8, which simplifies x is equal to negative 5 halves, or x is equal to negative 2.5, however you want to think of it. Now remember, this means that I have a parabola that's opening up, right, since a is 4, right, a is 4, I have a parabola opening up, and the axis of symmetry is at x equals negative 2.5. So if we're thinking graphically for a moment, negative 2.5, x equals negative 2.5 is this line right here. And what that means is I have a parabola opening up along that line. And so maybe my parabola looks like, I don't know, maybe it looks like this, where that's the axis of symmetry. Or maybe it looks like this, where that's the axis of symmetry at x equals negative 2.5. Now, of course, that tells us then that the vertex must also be on that axis of symmetry. And so if we find the axis of symmetry, we know the x-coordinate of the vertex. So then, to find the vertex, well, we already know the x-coordinate. The x-coordinate of the vertex is negative 2.5. Now to find the y-coordinate of the vertex, we take the x-coordinate of the vertex and substitute it into the function. So the y-coordinate of the vertex would be the function evaluated at negative 2.5, which is then 4 by negative 2.5 squared plus 20 by negative 2.5 plus 13. And we follow the order of operations. 2.5 squared is 6.25. So I have 4 by 6.25 plus 20 times negative 2.5 plus 13. 4 times 6.25, I'm using a calculator here in the background, is 25. 20 times negative 2.5 is negative 50. And so that's negative 25 plus negative 50 is negative 25. Negative 25 plus 13 is negative 12. So therefore, the vertex is negative 2.5, negative 12.